Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because I have another makeup tutorial to do today. This hair, I know you guys are probably gonna ask me what wig is this that I have on. This is a wig that I've been reviewed a long time ago from Ali Pearl, and the roots were a very dark brown, and I hated the roots so much. So I had finally dyed the roots lighter. It's just more toned and it just looked even. I don't really care for like a dark root going to blonde. It just sometimes looks weird. It looks good on other people, but I will leave down below the link of where I got this hair from. Today for makeup, I was thinking about doing a like smoky eye. I don't know, I feel like I'm in a mood for like a smoky eye. So I don't know, I was thinking maybe like a lime green smoky eye. I was thinking like, I don't know, like an orange, or I think I've done pink before. I've done a lot of pink eyeshadow looks, so I'm probably gonna stay away from that. So first things first, I'm going to of course start on my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in Espresso. I'm gonna use Tofee Carmel in Caramel, and this is in L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Y'all, I can't stress this enough. You need to get this concealer. This concealer is like the bomb. To set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the color Sandstorm. So I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids with this. Now this is the part where I try to figure out how I want to do my eyes. This is the part I always do, y'all. I never know what I want to do, ever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my Lime Crime Venus XL palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. Yeah, one of my favorites. First color that I'm going to take as a transition is called Idolize. This is the color here. It's like a matte brown shade, but it's actually have like a peachy pink undertone to it. So I'm going to use this color out of this palette here. I'm gonna go in with the color Passion. Passion is like a pretty like fuchsia purplish pink color in this palette, and I'm gonna take this color. Is very pigmented, so I'm going to take a little bit, like a little bit of this now because it's very pigmented. Okay, so now that that's down, I'm going to go ahead and take my next shade, and I'm going to take it out of this palette, the Morphe palette. I think this is the Social Butterfly palette. I love this palette. It's so cute. I have so many beautiful colors in this palette. I'm going to take this color here, which is black, and it's a like really dark matte black. It's called Off Camera in this palette. So if you do have this, you know, you can go, if you got these palettes, you can go step by step with me if you want to do this look too. And I'm going to take this right in my crease. Now what I'm trying not to do is lose that color, the pinkish purplish color. I'm trying not to lose that color, so you still want that color to be visible. I'm going to take this lime green shade out of this palette right here at the bottom. And I'm using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Dramatic lashes. I was trying to find some lashes that were a bit more like still dramatic but a little bit more calm down. These are they're like very dramatic. They're super thick. I can't find those lashes, so I guess these are just gonna have to do for now. Okay, so now that my dramatic ass lashes is on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible True Match foundation. Now what I'm about to do is put on my concealer. Next color I'm taking is Tofee, which is a brighter shade. I'm just taking this under my eye, nowhere else. And then for a much brighter, brighter under eye, you guys can stop here. Y'all probably like, girl, too much for me. But for a brighter under eye, I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer, and this is in Natural. now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of my Stay Matte. Now you guys know I do not bake, but this is pretty decent for me. I don't really care for loose powders, as you all know it's too as well, but I am going to take the loose version of the Stay Matte press of the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder. This is the loose powder version, and I have it in transparent. And I'm going to take my same beauty blender I've been using, and I'm going to put the powder where I normally get oily. So right here. So I wouldn't call this baking because I'm not going to stay it on, and I look so crazy right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. And I know you guys still see the concealer right here. I'm going to go ahead and blend that a little bit more in. I'm going to blend that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some powder right down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to bake that. I'm going to stay that down for a little bit longer, and I'm going to take my Rimmel London compact, whatever you want to call it, version, and I'm going to take this where I didn't put the powder. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the remaining of my face where I didn't set. For color under my eye, I'm going to go in with this color that I use on my eye. And the palette is called Passion in this palette. Then I'm going to go right back into this palette, the Morphe palette, the Social Butterfly palette. And this, I'm going to take the black matte shade. I'm not going to bring it forward. I'm just going to stay it right towards the end. This is by NYX. I kind of broke it, but this is a eyeshadow pod, and this is by NYX. This is called Gilded. This is a pretty yellow. It's like a pretty shimmery yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and take this. I don't know why someone just told me to do this. I feel like it'll make this like eye pop even more. I'm going to take it right in my tear duct. I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use my light to medium and medium to dark. The darkest shade from the medium to dark one. This is the contour shade out of this one. It is super dark, so I'm going to be very careful with this because you only need a little bit. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this product. And I'm just going to scope out my nose and contour, chisel my nose just a little bit. going to take my NYX matte finish spray, and I'm going to use my Morphe. Now Morphe been kind of making my skin like a semi dewy finish, so I'm going to take both of these. I like a matte finish, so I'm going to take this one because the Morphe actually take the powderiness or any type of powder out, and then I'm going to take the matte finish spray by NYX on top of it. I don't know what happened with my eyeshadow right here, but I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's like something brown. I don't know what happened. It don't look like that on this side, so I'm gonna try to fix that. Matte lipstick, you guys, you can get this from your local beauty supply store. This is where I got mine from, and it's called Rosy Pink. When I say Ruby Kisses matte lipstick is like the bomb. They come in like blue, green, all types of nudes, pinks, purple. Like, get you some. And this one has been my favorite. This is by Milani. This is one of their newest lip glosses. It's called Nourishing Lip Plumper. So it's supposed to like make your lips feel plumped and look plumped. And I have it in the color Champagne 01. This is the shade I'm going to be using. And that is it. So that wraps it up for this entire video. I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. Let me know y'all thoughts down below if y'all feeling the green, the smoky eye green eyeshadow, whatever I created. Let me know how y'all feel about it. If you love to recreate this look, please recreate it if you do. And if you do, DM me a picture, tag me in a picture if you post it. I want to see it so I can repost it. I love to see if you guys recreate my looks. I love you baby dolls so much. I thank all of you for watching, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah. Love you.